You're welcome to Vandana's biology session, children. So today we'll be dealing with emasculation, tagging, and bagging, a part of your sexual reproduction in flowering plants chapter. Now, before we proceed to the topic, here I'm going to show you the picture and details of one of the great Indian scientists, Professor Panchanan Maheshwari. Professor Panchanan Maheshwari was a student of Judge Jain. He was greatly interested in plant morphology, but he did work on embryology. He extensively studied and did experiments on Datura inoxia, a plant of family Solanaceae. He introduced embryology in the Indian universities, especially University of Delhi. He was a great teacher. He trained students. He wrote a book called Embryology of Angiosperms. His students, especially I'll have to mention about Bhojwani and Patnagar, who also wrote a book called Embryology of Angiosperms, which is very famous, and they dedicated it to their beloved teacher. Embryology is a small branch of botany. Children, you have learnt about pollen pistil interaction, double fertilization, triple fusion. Okay, how the zygote develops into embryo, the embryogenesis, isn't it? Now, all these are actually dealt under embryology. Okay, so you understand what is embryology now and why we are discussing about this great scientist here. And he was awarded also with the Fellowship of Royal Society of London, FRS, which is a quite rare honor given to scientists. Not all scientists are given this honor. Okay. Now let us discuss about the topic emasculation and all. Children, till now you have learnt about pollination, cross pollination, then how it occurs naturally also, isn't it? The outbreeding devices and all, isn't it? Now, suppose we have selected a male parent and a female parent, okay, and we want to do something called controlled pollination, and hopefully that both these are bisexual flowers. Then what to do? Then from the selected female parent from that particular flowers, the anthers are removed because it is a female parent now. So such a removal of anthers from the female parent which bears bisexual flowers, the bisexual flowers of the selected female parent, say if anthers are removed, that is called emasculation. So anthers are removed and then what is done? This particular stigma should not receive any other foreign pollen. So what is done? Bagging is done so that this particular stigma is protected from unwanted pollen. Okay, so this bag is basically made of butter paper. Tagging is about putting a tag to just recognize that this is the male parent, that's the female parent, and so on. So I'll show you a small picture of emasculation, how it is done. You see, from the female parent here with the scissors, actually the anthers are being removed, and on the stigma, dusting of the pollen grain of the selected male parent is being done, isn't it? So you can see this, and I'll be showing you a video about emasculation in sunflower. Now, children, sunflower is not actually a flower. It is an inflorescence. It comes under the family Asteraceae, and this particular inflorescence is having small florets. That is, flowers are reduced to florets. And here, what they are doing is they have selected a female parent, and the female parent is having some bisexual flowers here. The head inflorescence itself has bisexual flowers and female flowers. So they are trying to remove these bisexual flowers. What I feel, and with the forceps, they are trying to do it. You see, you just observe. And you know that sunflower is the economically important crop plant, and sunflower seeds say we get what is called sunflower oil, isn't it? So just observe with the forceps how they are doing it, and actually this is a field, sunflower field, and many people are simultaneously doing it. Okay, so closely observe. Now he is trying to spray some water so that if at all there is any remaining part of anther or something remaining there, that should be washed off. Okay, so once he removes it, now he'll be putting a bag, you see. Bagging इसको करते हैं, इसको बोलते हैं bagging. Okay, so you are seeing that several people are working in the
Şekilde
field.
çekelim şimdi.
Okay,
Bana anlat sen onu.
so they are continuously doing it, because it's not one female plant that is selected, several female plants are selected. Okay, now suppose the uh, selected female plant is already having female flowers, like papaya plant or so. If the unisexual flowers are there, then from the female flower there is no need of any emasculation, isn't it? Because female flower will not have anthers at all. So the emasculation process comes into picture when the female plant selected is bearing bisexual flowers. Okay, so I think the concepts are clear, children. And till we meet in the next session, thank you. Okay.